Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jolly Phonics Rules. Today I'm going to introduce you the first sounds. For our lesson we need Jolly Phonics Pupil Book 1. So this is the spread from the book, so you can see it here. So let's start. So we are going to start with 3 words. Please repeat after me. A dog, dog, dog. Snake, snake, snake. A boy, boy, boy. Okay, so now I need my book, my book. So I open the book, I take my talking pen. You see this talking pen? Touch the yellow arrow. Yellow arrow. Let me show you. Yellow, yellow, a yellow arrow. Let's open the book. So look at the picture. So a boy and a dog go for a walk in the park. Suddenly the dog starts to bark like this. Woof, woof, woof. And the boy sees a big sporty snake. And the snake goes all together. And again. Now with your hands like this. So move your hand like snake slithers. Okay, so now let's listen to the words.
Spotty snake.
Spotty snake.
Sun.
Sun.
Stick.
Stick.
Snail.
Snail. Okay, now tell me please, what is it? What is it?
Spotty snake.
Spotty snake.
Sun.
Sun. What is it?
Stick.
Stick. What is it?
Snail.
And one more word.
Nest. Nest.
Nest. Nest. And let's listen again.
Nest.
Nest.
Snail.
Snail.
Stick.
Stick.
Sun.
Sun.
Spotty snake.
Spotty snake. So look at the snake. So look at the snake. What color is it? Red. 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 Now look at the spots. What color are they? Black. 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 Okay. My ear. So now let's listen to the song. Listen to the song.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Now let's listen to the song.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. is in the grass.
One more time.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
So what is it? Grass. 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 What color is the grass? Green. Green grass. Green. Green grass. Can you see it? Grass. 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 The snake is in the grass. The snake moves like this. All together. Well done. Okay, now let's close the book. Turn over my talking pen.
Bye-bye.
Put it over there. And now look at the sound. What sound is it? Okay, brilliant. Now we need our pupil book 1. A book, my book. Now let's open the book. Open the book. And let's have a look. What do we have here? What is it? Yes, you are right. A sporty snake. Sporty snake. What is it? A sporty snake. What is it? Snake. Yes, well done. So now we are going to write sounds, but before we should write it in the air. So this is our index finger. Yeah, index finger. Can you show me your index finger? Now we are going to write sounds like this in the ear. All together. Now put your finger here and let's write and again. Now you are going to write this sounds. Yeah, so write down, write down. Okay, well done. Please stop this video for several minutes and give time to the pupil to write down the sound. And here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pictures. 3 of these pictures have sound S. Now let's listen to sound S. Sun. Sun. Can you hear sounds? Yes, well done. Sun. So sun is okay. Let's put a tick here. Can you see the tick? Okay, the next word. Snail. 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 So where is sound? Can you hear sounds? Snail. Yes. So let's put a tick here. So snail. S-N-A-L. S-N-A-L. So where is sound? S? Yes, it's here. S. S. It is at the beginning. Yeah? At the beginning. Let's repeat after me. At the beginning. Okay, well done. Let's continue. The next word, spider. 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 Can you hear sound s? Spider. Yes, spider. Spider. And where is sounds? Let's listen to sounds. S, p, I, d, r. Again. S, p, I, d, r. S, spider. So where is sounds? Yes, at the beginning. And the last one. Flower. 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 Can you hear sound? S. No, I can't. No, let's cross out the word. No, cross out the word. Cross out. Okay, well done. Now let's take our talking pen again. So, tell me please, what sound is it? Hmm? Yes. S. Can you do like this and say s? S. S. Yeah, well done. So this is the end of the lesson. For more practice, you can use book number 1 from the set of 7 workbooks and write down at home. Yeah, so you can color the picture and practice the vocabulary that begins with sound s, like this. Sunflower, sun, spotty snake, snail, spider, stone. So thank you. See you soon. Bye.